Hey, what's going on, y'all? It's the multiple stream king, LaDerrick Williams, CEO and founder of the Paid in Full family. Hey, what's going on, y'all? Listen, real quick, okay? Before I dive in, because you see what's going on, go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel, okay? Hit that subscribe button, all right? And also click that notification bell so anytime I drop a video, you are the first to be notified. What's going on, Paid in Full family, man? Welcome to the How to Make Money Online with the MSK. That's the Multiple Stream King, all right? And my video today is just a follow-up video, all right? I told you all this program is real, okay? Just paid out yesterday, all right? And as you can see, I are still making commissions, okay? For to run this up to about another 200 by the end of today, okay? And this opportunity literally costs $1. Okay, it costs $1. So I'm gonna break it down to you on exactly what you need to do. Okay, so you need at least two email addresses, right? You're gonna follow the instructions below, and what I'm telling you right now, you can see it below. Okay, you sign up, all right, as an affiliate, all right, for free. Okay, and it's gonna prompt you next to become a customer. You become your own customer, all right, for $1. They're gonna pay you out $21.25 for the first order that comes through. Okay, become your own customer. The thing about it, you need to sign up as a customer under a different email. So you need at least two email addresses. All right, you get $21.25. After that, you get paid $10 over and over and over again for everyone who signs up and duplicates the same process. Super simple, okay? Let me show you how you market this thing. All right, I'm gonna pull up my Facebook real quick. This is gonna be a short video showing you all exactly what to do, and it's up to you to take advantage from there, okay? Super simple. I'm gonna show you all what I'm doing, how I've been winning with it, all right, and how you can too. I just put up a new post, all right. So if you got a Facebook, all right, if you got an Instagram, if you got a Snapchat, you can do this. Facebook stories are winning, okay. As you can see, I put one up in my Facebook stories, Instagram stories. That stuff work, man, because they're checking it all day long and they can just send you a direct message straight from there, okay. But I like to promote on my profile as well, all right. Give it just a second to load up here. My Facebook tends to run just a little bit slower when I'm doing a screen share, but that's okay. Hold on 1 second. And you might hear my phone going out because I've been getting notifications all day long. All right. Hold on 1 second here. This load time is ridiculous. All right. But man, while we're waiting on it to load, okay, do not hesitate to jump on this program, you all. Do not sit here and think people have time to scam you over $1. Some of the people that I've been talking to have been hilarious, like really questioning an opportunity that costs $1. All right, I have opportunities that cost $250, $500, some even $1,000. Okay, I don't have time to waste my energy on scamming someone over $1. Okay, I've been making money online now for over 5 years, so know what I'm doing. And man, the little programs like this, you definitely want to take advantage of because they typically come around during the holiday seasons, and this is one that a lot of people are jumping on. Okay, so I'll put up a post similar to this. Do you have $1? All right, I can show you how to turn into 100 more a day, real money right into your bank account. Comment 100 below for more info. All right, once they comment for info, all right, I simply comment up on it, tell them to check their inbox. Okay, let's keep going. Let me show you what I've been doing. Okay, let me go back to some of my posts. Check this out. All right, this is a young lady on the team. She's already up $800. Okay, I said, look at this here. All it took us $1, and now one of our business partners up 800. Look at this. Started with $1. All right, now she's at $841.46, and I'm pretty sure it's more than that now. All right, you just got to get in and take action. All right, do you got a Facebook friend list? You can make at least $50 to $100 a day. You know, marking this thing on Facebook. All right, people are coming info. I told them to comment their favorite money emoji. All right, you can have fun with it. I said comment a money emoji for the link, and when they do, I hit them in the inbox. What I need you to do is once you sign up, all right, you're going to see that 21.25. This is just me showing that it paid out 51.49. If you look here, All right, when it was 51.49, I had it pays out every 24 to 48 hours. Okay, it's gonna automatically pay out. All right, when you sign up, it's gonna prompt you to add your routing and account number. It's gonna automatically sign you up. This is my checking account. All right, with Chase, and as you can see, the 51.49 paid out. And then I had the guy say send the link, and he signed up right away. He actually signed up yesterday. Mr. Darren, I remember him. Okay, simple. Just show your results. All right, because the money is going to come. Well, hold on 1 second. This may be someone saying they signed up. If not, and ask for info, I'll get back to him. Oh, he's seeing what they got going, right? I'll show this to you all live. That's from my Facebook story. Okay, that's from my Facebook story. He's seen it. He commented. All right, for the reply on my phone. One second. Let's see what he says. Okay. I said, man, crazy program. All it costs is $1 to get started. You get 10 bucks over. I'm just replying to him, y'all, on my phone. He's asking for, I'm basically gonna say, what is it? You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna send him the copy and paste my link. All right, so I can give y'all a good example of what I'm doing right now. You can do this all on your phone, you guys. Okay, he's replying right now. Super simple, y'all. Man, y'all please take advantage of these little simple opportunities like this, y'all. Don't overcomplicate it. Just get started. All right, just get started. It's super simple. People are looking to make some extra money, especially with the holiday seasons coming up. And it's only $1. Look at that. Wow. You probably finna say, how do I get started? I'm just finna hit him with the thumbs up on the wow. And then hear him say, hey, how do I get started? That's typically what happens. All right. Then play with this. Okay, put me on. Boom. Say no more. Bing, bing. Copy and paste my info. All right. Now look, what I just sent him is what you see below in your YouTube video. You're going to copy and paste this exact same thing. Okay. Once you sign up, the only thing you are going to replace, all right, is that link. You take that link out and put your link in. You're going to get it under your affiliate link. That's it. Okay. Super simple, right? Super, super, super simple. I did a Facebook Live on it yesterday. Got people who were interested just by me doing the live. All right. Crazy busy day yesterday, but I'm going to carve out time on my lunch hour to sign up. And she did. That's Ms. Nina Drake. Info, I'm all in. He said he was going to sign up, and he did. That's done tape. Okay. He said he had to sign up Friday. All right. One of my business partners who jumped in, she making money already. She was giving me a shout out because she made her money. Okay, and I just share the results on Facebook. Okay, share the results. Got people asking, can they get the link? All right, simple, 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 simple. Let me see if I can find my original post. All right, and you can do the same. Okay, this is all you need to do. All right, so when you get your 25, this is how I started. All right, so I got my 20 bucks. Okay, I took a picture of the 21.25 because you're going to get that for becoming your own customer. All right, and all you do is share it on your wall. Okay, you share it on your wall. That simple. All right, put up a post. All right, similar to this. All you need is $1 and you get back 20. Did I mention you get $10 per referral? Ask me how I come get your free cash. And if you want, my Facebook and Instagram information is below. You can go to my page, all right, and you can go and copy and paste the same stuff I put up. Put up your own picture, all right, and make money. That simple, you guys, okay? So with that being said, I didn't plan for it to be this long, but hey, you got proof, live proof, all right, and you got some quick training to show you exactly what to do. No excuses, just results. Go get your money, man. See y'all on the next video. It's your boy.